Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. So I have some free time at work. I'm gonna just do a this is like a 3D cartoon character website, and then you build your own character. And my friend, he ordered it for me, so let's see how it looks and how it's actually turned out, if it's look like me or not. Okay, so this is the box is called Phuong pop yourself, and this is I just open it. So this is how the box inside look. How cute! It's a blue color, and they have two boxes. So one he made for me and one he made for myself. So there are two of them because we just trying the website out. And the box inside is saying you are one of one. There are millions of ways to create a pop, but only one you. That's a nice saying. You see, it's kind of cute. Which one I have? So I'm gonna try to put it down here so you guys can see. So the box, and let's see which one is mine. Oh, so real quick, I just sneak peek of my friend one. So he got himself his own character. You see, because he has a dog, so I kinda have a dog, so it's like kinda look like this. He created his own self and then has a dog with him, also with a phone, and like a cell phone right here. I don't think you can see it that well. I'll zoom it in a little bit so you see. So it's just him. I don't want to open him, so but there's one of the figure that he made for himself. I'm gonna just put it back for him and wait for him to open, but I'm gonna open mine. I'll put it back. I'll take mine out. I'm gonna put this box to the side and let's open mine. So this box is mine. I'm gonna to see how is it. Wow, look at this. It's me. Sorry, it's a little bit light reflected here. When you see me, I'm gonna pop it up. So they have like a display, a plastic, hard black plastic box for you to like display your figure. And then just gonna open up my. It's kind of cute, you know. I don't know if you guys can see it's me or it's not me, but you see he created me with a little bowl of ramen. How cute is this? And then for my figure, I have a camera, so I think the thing you can just pop it in here. can I fit it in? How do I fit this in? Oh, so something like this. So one hand, because you know I am doing YouTube videos, so he have my camera, and one hand I love eating, so he have a bowl of ramen for me. Look at this. Does it look like me? Compare myself to my mini one. How cute is this? Oh my god. I love it. It's kind of cute. You actually can take the body apart. If you don't want to, you can take my camera apart, and I can take my head or my body apart. But with this thing, you can this website, you can build your own character. I think they give you quite a few options to choose the clothes you want to wear, the hair color, the eye color, the clothes, the shoes, and yeah, basically to make your own self that look the best, look like you the most. So yeah, I quite like it. I'm on a box because it's kind of like a display box. So I'm gonna pop myself back in the display box. Oopsie. It, so put it back in the box, and oh, my ramen, you have to like kind of stay like this, but it doesn't stick on, so I'm gonna just leave it as it is. I'm gonna have to put it on here. Oops, my ramen bowl drops again. But body pop. So I'm gonna see that how it should be. So my figure with the ramen, and then with the camera, and with my brown hair and black eyes with some kind of yellow because I love yellow. So I'm gonna put it back. So to just see if I can manage to put it back. So that's how it is. If you want to display it, and so you need to put in the box. Ta-da! So cute. So I'm gonna I think that's it for today's video. I'm just doing a quick unbox of my little friend mini me. I hope to see you guys in my next unbox video. Bye bye. Bye.